All right, hey everyone. So I'm just gonna make a quick video going through the PMP. Again, you've done it twice, so y'all should be pros at this point. But I think it'd be helpful for y'all to just follow along with me. And again, if you have questions, concerns, even after watching the video, please do not hesitate to reach out. So again, first you have your leadership mission statement. Again, please do not delete anything. You can keep it the same, or you can change it, or just if you want to add a little extra line to it, that's fine as well. You can put your comment in a different color. That's helpful for me because, I can't see very well. But again, when you do comment, please make sure to put end of year, so that way I know that is your third comment. And so, yeah, again, after leadership statement, you have your relationship building section where, again, you'll comment 5 to 7 sentences. Please make sure to put end of year, EOY, abbreviated. And again, if you want to put in a different color, you can do that as well. And then we have the competencies. This time, all you have to do is choose 2. So if you want to choose 2 that you've commented on before, that's fine. Or if you want to choose 2 that you've never commented on before, that's totally fine as well. Again, please make sure you are putting EOY so that way I know it's your end of the year comment. So after competencies, we have, keep scrolling, the goals. And so the goals are in the end of the year one pager that is on Teams. I will attach it along with this video in an email. So again, you'll put the goal in the top part, and then underneath will be the priorities, the little buckets. And so you'll comment 5 to 7 sentences. Again, you'll put the second goal right here, the buckets, and then you'll comment. After that, you can rate yourself if you want. Everyone is pretty much on track. You could comment here if you want, or if you want to just write a blurb right here in the comment section, that's fine, as long as I could find where you wrote something. And so after that, we have the values. You only have to choose one. Again, just make sure I know it's your end of the year comment, 5 to 7 sentences, service hours, all that good stuff. That's my part that I'll do. And then at the end, we have your Lacey. So again, if you have a new Lacey plan, like maybe mid-year, which was in, I believe, March is when you all had to complete this. Maybe you were looking for a job and now you have a job, or maybe you applied to school and you got in. You're looking for an apartment, which connects to you getting a new job if you're moving, and you sorted all that out. Please make sure to put that in this area. And then after that, you are done. Again, you have your one pager, so use that as well as this video. Again, this is your third time, so third time's the charm. Again, if you have questions, please reach out to me before you just submit, so that way I don't have to send it back to you. And yeah, good luck. I have to do this too, but not this version. But yeah, good luck, y'all.